Good afternoon. Making this video to show us some of the things we can do in Google Classroom. One of the first things I'm going to show is how to create a message and add a content. So there's two ways we can do it. You can either put it under Stream or you can create it under Classwork. For the purpose of this video, I will show how to do it for Classwork. So you click on the top of your classroom, and there's, as you can see, there's nothing there. So I'm going to put things in a folder. So in order to create a folder, the way it shows it here is as a topic. So if you click on create, there's all the things that you can do. You can create an assignment, a quiz, a question, material, reuse a post, or a topic. So first I'm going to create a topic. I'm going to click a topic that's going to be like my heading. So on this one, I'm going to put videos. I'm going to give it that name. I'm going to click add. So now I have my first folder or topic, which is videos. Now if I want to add or post a video or something under this topic, I would click again, create. Now for this one, I'm going to put it as an assignment. And once you have here, you put a title for your assignment. For this one, I'm going to put dancing. And here you put the instructions of whatever it is that you want this assignment or activity to be. So I'm going to put dance to the video. Now, here you have the options on the right side to assign it at that moment. If you actually click on this one, you have the options to schedule it for a later time. For now, we're going to assign it now. This is the class that I'm assigning it to. The students, I don't have any students, but here you can see it's assigned to all my students if I had any students. There's no due date, no points, topic. Here you have to make sure if you want to put it under one of the folders or topics, you click on it and you put it. I'm going to put it under videos for the purpose of this video. And I'm going to go to add. So you click here, add, and you can do it from multiple sources. So here in YouTube, you can directly embed. It's called embedding a video. You can embed a video. If you have the URL, you can just click here and type it, copy and paste, or you can search, video search. So if I know the name of the video that I want, I can just type it. So for this one, I'm gonna put shake your sillies out, click search. And it's going to populate all the ones that have that name in it. If you know your video, then you're going to click on it, the video that you like. So this is the video that I want. This is the one that we use with our students. And then once you have it in that blue box, you're going to click add. Now you can see it here. You have it. You can add multiple videos at once. So you will do the same process. You will click add a YouTube video, or if you wanted to add a file, you can just keep adding onto this same assignment. So once you have your title, your instructions, you created or added your video, you will click assign. And now you can see it. It's under my video topic. If you click on it, you have who I assigned it to, who had to turn it in, and my instructions. This was my title, my instructions, and my video. The children can click on it and automatically place it. Okay, hope this video was